I found a new and simple way to use Claude AI to generate videos and run a complete faceless YouTube channel in 2026, and nobody has told you about it yet. You have probably already watched a bunch of videos on how to make faceless YouTube content using Claude AI, and if you have, you already know the problem. They tell you to install this software, learn a bit of coding, set up a terminal, and by the time you are done following all of that, you are probably lost or still have not made a single video. The setup I am about to show you is simple, and in this video I will show you how to find viral niches on YouTube, set up a brand new channel, and type one sentence inside the Claude chat and walk away with a fully edited, fully voiced, fully animated faceless video. No terminal, no installations, no editing software. No experience needed at all, just you typing what you want. Stay with me till the end, because I'm going to walk you through the entire thing step by step, and by the end of this, you will be able to do it yourself. Alright, let's get started. Claude is one of the most powerful AI chat tools right now, and for this workflow to work, we are going to connect it through MCP. Don't worry, I will explain everything step by step so that you follow along, even if you are a complete beginner. Think of MCP as a bridge. It lets Claude step outside of the normal chat and actually control another platform for you. And the platform I am connecting it to today is Digital Maker AI, a faceless video creation tool that, once linked to Claude, lets you produce entire videos just by talking to it. So the first thing you want to do is create your Digital Maker AI account if you do not already have one. Search for it in your browser or click the link I have left for you in the video description below so you land on the right platform. Once you are on the home page, click Get Started for free and sign up using either your Google account or a regular email address. With this platform, you can generate a full channel brand, everything from your logo design to your video thumbnails, and you can create faceless videos in both short form and long form. Before we go any further, make sure you upgrade your account to unlock the video generation features. With the premium plan, you can generate videos up to 10 minutes long, and with the ultimate plan, you can go all the way up to 30 minutes. Once your account is set up, go into your settings and look for the section labeled Claude MCP. Click Create a Key, and you are going to be given a name and a private URL. I want you to treat that URL like a password. Do not share it with anyone. That is exactly why I have blurred it out on my screen, because it contains my personal API key. This is what allows Claude to access the platform's features and generate content for you from a single prompt. Now, open Claude AI and click on Customize. Go to Connectors, click Add, then add a custom connector. Paste in the name Digital Maker AI, then paste in the URL you just copied. And again, I am going to blur mine out because it is too sensitive to show. Leave the OAuth fields empty when you are adding the custom connector, and click on Add. You will then be asked to authorize Claude to have full access to Digital Maker AI through MCP by clicking Connect. From here, you get to decide how much control you want to hand over. You can either approve each request every single time you send a prompt, or you can grant it full permission so it can run on its own without waiting on you for approval. And that is it. That is genuinely the whole setup. No downloads, no command line, nothing technical whatsoever. Now, if you are still with me at this point, I promise you it only gets better from here, because this is where we actually start building. Let's do one last check just to make sure everything is set up correctly. Click the plus icon inside your Claude chat, open Connectors, and make sure Digital Maker AI is switched on. From this point forward, everything happens through a normal conversation. You do not need to learn any commands or special syntax. You just talk to it the exact same way you would talk to another person, in plain language. I want you to start by asking Claude something like this. What are the best faceless YouTube niches to start a channel in right now with strong CPM potential? Use the Digital Maker AI MCP. This is the prompt you want to start with, especially if you do not already have a channel and you want to know which niche to build around. One that is already performing well on YouTube right now. Now I am going to hit Submit and see exactly what Claude is going to cook up for us. Of course, you can also do this directly inside Digital Maker AI using the Niche Finder. You simply filter for whichever niche you are interested in, and it will show you successful channels in that direction. But going through Claude with the MCP connection makes the whole process so much simpler, because all you are doing is telling Claude what you want in plain language, and it hands you the results back in a single chat. Watch what happens. Claude pulls that information directly through the connector and hands you back a full breakdown of niches along with their earning potential. It came back with real numbers. Personal finance and documentary channels were showing some of the strongest CPM in the entire Faceless space, and it pulled out successful channels in each niche, complete with estimated subscriber count, upload frequency, average video length, estimated views, and estimated revenue per month. This saves you from spending an entire day scrolling through YouTube trying to find a niche on your own. And honestly, this is the kind of research a lot of beginners skip completely because they pick their niche just because it sounds fun rather than because it actually pays. Now that we know which niches are doing well on YouTube right now, along with their estimated CPM, and by the way, CPM is simply the amount YouTube pays you per 1,000 views once you are monetized through AdSense, and this number changes depending on your niche, which is exactly why this first step matters so much. From here, we can narrow things down even further and ask Claude to show us faceless channels in the psychology and mental health space with under 100,000 subscribers, sorted by highest estimated revenue. What I am going to do is hit submit and wait for Claude to respond. And as you can see, Claude has come back with channels that are already doing well in that exact niche. Instead of scrolling through YouTube for an hour trying to dig out faceless channels buried between people who are showing their face, Claude sorts through all of that for you and hands them over already ready to study. From here, you can go into each channel, see exactly what is working, the way their titles are structured, the kind of thumbnails they are using, and watch their best performing videos so you can study the pacing, the tone, and the hook structure before you go ahead and build out your own channel. Now, what we are doing here is not copying anyone's content. It is about showing you how you can create this same kind of content yourself using Claude AI through the MCP connector into Digital Maker AI. Even if you have zero experience, once you have picked a channel worth modeling, this is where it gets really fun. In this case, I am choosing a channel called Intuitus, which posts videos about the wisdom and psychology of Carl Gustav Jung, and it is already doing really well. What I want you to do is ask Claude to break down exactly why that channel works, the pacing, the hook style, and the visual tone. Claude is going to break all of that down for us, the pacing, the hook style, the visual tone, everything. And now that we have all the information we need, we can move on to the next step, which is building our own brand new channel in the psychology niche. To do that, we are going to paste in this next prompt. Use Digital Maker AI to build me a banner and profile picture for a psychology faceless channel, a logo concept, a banner concept, a channel description, and a set of tags, and we are going to call our channel Psychology Wisdom. Claude is then going to go ahead and create both the logo and the banner using Digital Maker AI, and these get saved directly to Platform Library. Or, if you prefer, you can just ask Claude to hand you direct links to the generated assets so you can view them right there in the chat. And of course, if you open up Digital Maker AI yourself, go to History, and click View Images, you are going to find them saved right here. These are already looking great. A logo built around a calm, minimal mind symbol in a soft color palette that genuinely fits the psychology space, and a banner concept using soft gradients and clean typography that signals credibility and trust. You can download these straight to your device, and if there is anything you do not love about them, just go back to Claude, tell it exactly what you want changed, and you are going to get an even better result the second time around. On top of that, you also get a ready-to-paste channel description written to rank for psychology and self-improvement search terms, plus a full set of key tags built specifically for discovery in that niche. Now, I am not going to walk you through how to actually set up a brand new faceless channel in this video, but in case you need help with that part, I already made a dedicated video covering exactly that, and I will leave the link down in the description so you can go watch it and get your channel created. Once you are happy with how everything looks, tell Claude to generate the full video. I am asking Claude to make me a 1-minute faceless video on 4 facts about psychology, using a realistic everyday style and a female voice. And even if you are not that specific and you just ask it to create a video, that is completely fine too. Claude is going to ask you a couple of quick clarifying questions. Things like which AI voice accent you want narrating, the video length, and the visual style. I am going to go ahead and click send so it can start building the entire video in the background while you do absolutely nothing else. For this walkthrough, I am keeping it to just 1 minute so you can see the full workflow quickly, but the exact same process scales all the way up to 30-minute videos if you are building out a full episode. The video is going to start rendering now, and this can take a little bit of time. So while you wait, use this moment to stretch a bit, sip on a cup of coffee, and while you are at it, go ahead and like this video and subscribe to the channel. After a while, you can check in by simply asking Claude if the video is ready yet, and it will give you the video link so you can check it out. But as soon as the rendering is actually finished, you get an email notification letting you know the video is ready, and you can view or download the finished video straight from your account. Guys, here is the finished video that Claude created for us, and let me go ahead and play the whole thing so you can see exactly what it made, and hear and see the quality for yourself.
Right now, you believe your memories are accurate recordings of your past. They're not. Your brain doesn't store experiences like a video camera. It reconstructs them every single time you recall them. And each reconstruction is corrupted by suggestion, emotion, and false information. This is the misinformation effect. And it means your most confident memories are often your most distorted ones. If you're curious about how your mind bends reality without your knowledge, subscribe so you don't miss what comes next. But here's where it gets darker. Repetition doesn't just reinforce truth, it creates it. The mere exposure effect shows us that hearing something repeatedly makes it feel familiar, comfortable, safe. That false sense of comfort becomes trust. Then comes the halo effect. One attractive quality blinds you completely. A charming smile erases every red flag. One impressive credential makes you overlook incompetence elsewhere. Your brain chooses speed over accuracy, always. And the final blow? The primacy effect. Those first 7 seconds of meeting someone? They're not just important. They're neurologically irreversible. Everything you learn afterward gets filtered through that initial snap judgment. Your mind decided who they were before they finished speaking. You've been unknowingly manipulated by your own biology your entire life.
The video really came out well, and honestly, I could have generated a full 30-minute video instead. But I wanted to keep it short so you can understand the entire workflow step by step. From this same interface, you can make any changes you want to the video, things like motion and film effects, changing the subtitle style if you do not like the default one. And you can even edit individual scenes at any moment without having to regenerate the entire video from scratch, which gives you complete control over the final product. You can regenerate an entire scene by simply describing what you want, choosing a different visual style, or you can just let Digital Maker AI surprise you. You also have the option to upload your own image from your device if you already have one you want to use. Now, you can actually do all of this straight inside the Claude chat as well, but I wanted to show you how easily you can polish your video right from this interface too. As you know, most faceless channels post videos that are just still images stitched together with a voiceover on top, but for your brand new channel, posting videos with animated scenes is really the only way to stand out from everyone else. And it also keeps your content safer when it comes to monetization. Digital Maker AI makes that possible with this animation feature, and the good news is your original image-based video stays saved as well. You get to decide whether you want to animate each scene individually or animate everything all at once. Based on the total video length and the number of scenes I have, I am setting the clip length to 10 seconds and clicking on Animate All 5 Scenes. This takes about a minute or two, and once it finishes rendering, I am going to click View Animation, and here is the result.
Right now, you believe your memories are accurate recordings of your past. They're not. Your brain doesn't store experiences like a video camera. It reconstructs them every single time you recall them. And each reconstruction is corrupted by suggestion, emotion, and false information. This is the misinformation effect. And it means your most confident memories are often your most distorted ones. If you're curious about how your mind bends reality without your knowledge, subscribe so you don't miss what comes next. But here,
each scene animates smoothly, and it times everything out really well so that no scene ends up repeating itself. From here, you can download your video, and it is ready to go straight onto your channel. And there is so much more you can do beyond just generating the video itself. Using that exact same Claude connection, you can also ask it to generate a matching thumbnail, right there in the same conversation, before you would even think about doing this manually, and you are going to get a stunning, ready-to-use thumbnail for your video without touching a single piece of design software or wasting time learning design skills you do not need. I want you to take a second and really think about what you just watched. You could genuinely build an entire channel identity, your character, your thumbnail, your banner, and your very first video, all without ever leaving the Claude chat window. No terminal, no installations, no editing software, no experience needed. Just a conversation with Claude, with Digital Maker AI quietly doing all the heavy lifting behind the scenes. With this workflow, once you have connected Digital Maker AI to Claude through MCP, the rest becomes incredibly easy. And from there, you can generate videos simply by talking to Claude directly inside the chat in plain language. So go grab the Digital Maker AI link I left for you in the description, create your account, connect it to Claude through MCP using the exact steps I just walked you through, and start growing your Faceless channel. If this video helped you out, do me a favor and hit that like button. And if you are not subscribed yet, now is a great time to do it. Because I have got a lot more videos coming that are going to save you even more time on your content creation journey. I will see you in the next one.